Hello again, it's Roman at iERV Pohoda. I hope everybody's enjoying their Christmas holiday, and we wish you, on behalf of the entire iERV Pohoda team, the best in 2014. What I'd like to do today is to show you the very first commissioning process of our new intelligent iERV unit, and how basically to turn it on for the first time and how it's supposed to look like when it's fully installed. So in this home we've done, it's a wonderful house, very close to the passive standard. It's really passive house inspired, home very airtight, and we installed our unit, and this is the first time we're gonna turn it on, so follow me. Alright, so we are here in the attic. We have our unit installed, and maybe somebody's gonna be asking, okay, you're in the attic, it's cold space over here, how this unit can be installed here? Well, it's entire interior, it's made out of EPP, which is expanded polypropylene, and it's very well insulated, so you can install the unit in non-heated space. However, this is not completely finished because those ducts, they need to be well insulated, so there will be another layer of insulation on this. But just to explain to you how all the connections are, and then we're gonna turn the unit on for the first time and hopefully it will work. So first of all, you have 4 connections. This is the waste air, return air from the house to the unit. This is a connection of the air that's coming from the unit to outside. This is completely waste. On the other side, I'm gonna grab the camera very quick. This is where the connection is. This is the fresh air from outside, and this is the fresh air in. That means into the house. What is very important, not to put the insulation, this insulation, on the unit body itself. It needs to be only connected to the collar over here. Okay. What we have also, it's a provided router. So this will be provided with the unit, and tablet PC. This is my iPad. We're providing the unit with another device. What you see over here are the filters. So they are actually taken out like this. It gets a little bit sticky for the first time, okay? And you have your filters over here. So they can be taken out like this. Alright. This is the entire electronics and all the connections. So what needs to be done, I'm gonna put the camera back here. What needs to be done when everything is connected, basically connect your router to a wall outlet. So that's already done. Then we'll connect it with a cable right over here. Okay. Okay, we had a little trouble with the camera, so there was a cut, and I'm gonna continue when I left off. So you connect your router to the unit first. Okay, it's right here. While the unit is off. Now, this is gonna be a little exciting. We will need to turn it on for the first time. So you have your power outlet. It goes like a regular outlet right here. You connect it from the bottom. I'll show you where it is. It's right over here. There's a switch. See? It will be switched on. You connect the cable, of course, to your power outlet. Now, depending on the version of the unit you have, we have versions of 110 volts for North America to 20 and 48 volts as well. So it may be slightly different than what you see over here. So what I will do right now, I will turn this on. Right here. Okay. You're gonna see this indicator over here. You're gonna hear the initialization process. And this blue light, it will be flashing. A red light, you see here, indicates the closing of a bypass channel valve. This is automatic function that ensures every time you turn the unit on, it will absolutely tighten the bypass channel. That's very important. And basically, that is it. Unit is running in its pre-programmed nominal airflow, what you required for each house. If you provide us with the information, we program the unit prior to delivery to you to the exactly specified airflow. What I will try, now this is going to be a little, I'm trying it right here. Okay, unit should work. Yep. So it's working right now. And that's all you need to do. Really. It should be plug and play. Now, if you decide to plug and use the unit with your home router, there's a slightly different thing you have to do, because every router will assign a individual IP address, unique IP address to the unit. So you will need to find out what the IP address is, and but that's, we're not going to cover that right here. It's pretty simple procedure as well. So right now, when we have everything connected, we'll close up the electrical box. Normally, you will have your booster switches connected from downstairs, from all the bathrooms, etc. And all you're gonna bring in it's the contact. Unfortunately, we don't know, because the electrician did not make the appropriate labeling, so we assume this is the booster switches. All we need, it's a non-potential wire. There's no electricity in there, and you connect it to appropriate connection over here. It will be number 1 and number 3 if it's only for booster switches. Every time you press on a momentary switch in the bathroom, the unit will go into a booster mode. Now, after you connect everything, you cover everything neatly with this. Of course, you can make it nice and neat and make it a little nicer than you can see here. This is just a temporary. Right now, we will finish it and insulate everything very well. Let's go downstairs. I'll show you one more thing, and then we're done. Okay, so we finished the installation of the iERV, and it needs to be adjusted. The airflow needs to be adjusted to the length and overall size of the ventilation system. If you have your ventilation rate set too high, you go over the transporting capacity of the air distribution system, it can be heard actually. So what I will do, I will show you how it looks like if we go in too high with the power. I will increase the speed to a maximum. Now you can hear it clearly. There is a lot of noise starting to develop. Okay, so every exhaust and suction element needs to be adjusted. If you hear something like that, I will start to close it very slowly. And you are able to literally eliminate this vibration you hear. This is very important to go from room to room and adjust all of these elements while the unit is running on its maximum capacity, because otherwise every time you turn on the bathroom boost switch, you will hear this noise. Unit will run in this high power for only for the time you are using the bathrooms or kitchen, etc. You have the ability to change the airflow. I will turn it down now. Very simply, on your device. Okay, so we'll go, I'll show you what you have available here. This is actually pretty cool. This is a log on to a unit. I'll go to a service page, and I have the ability to set the percentage of the total capacity of the unit for each speed individually. You can very precisely balance the system also manually if you wish to. So this is where you actually change the airflow of the unit. Then you can go back to your regular page after you change it. Here you have your feedback from all the sensors. Also you can see the RPM of the motors. You can see all of the sensors which we normally don't display to the customer because it's way too many information. It can get confusing, but you do have the feedback. You can check how the unit perform. You can see the relative humidity, the dew point, all of the temperatures outside, inside, whatever we're delivering to inside, etc. So this is a very quick overview of how everything is set up. We will go into more details later on, but thank you for watching. Let us know if you have any questions, if there is any specific you'd like to be informed about. I'll make my best to do so. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.